Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, bienvenue, welcome to French with Mr. Innes, the best place on YouTube if you're looking to learn French for kids. Je m'appelle Mr. Innes, I'm a British and Belgian citizen, a trained teacher with 2 master's degrees, and a published author, and I'm here to be your trusted guide through your French learning journey. The videos on my channel contain loads of visual and interactive activities, helping your child to learn French with a wide range of vocabulary, sentence building, and magnifique pronunciation. The videos might start with some counting, 27, 28, 29, 30, or even some mathématiques. 12 divisé par 2 égale 6. Très bien. Next, we'll move on to our phrase of the day. Perhaps je voudrais, I would like, or even nous avons visité, we visited. Then we'll learn between 4 et 6 oulala vocab. For this, you écoutez 6 fois, listen 6 times to pick up the pronunciation before you répétez 6 fois, perhaps using some silly voices. Les ananas. Les ananas. La tour Eiffel. La tour Eiffel. La natation. La natation. You get to practice your oulala vocab using our cool game Which One's Missing. We have il fait beau, il pleut, il fait orageux et il y a du brouillard. Which one's missing? Fantastic if you said il fait orageux. Then we combine our phrase of the day with our oulala vocab in the fun activity Sensational Sentences. How would you say we visited the Eiffel Tower? Merveilleux if you said nous avons visité la tour Eiffel. Or we might even use a sentence builder where you can make loads of cool sentences from a choice of pronouns, verbs, nouns, and adjectives. And if you fancy showing off your newfound skills, then don't miss out on our
challenge time,
which loads of kids from across the world have responded to brilliantly with their own sensational sentences by tweeting these amazing posters to the hashtag French with Mr. Innes. But the learning does not stop there. These videos are filled with French culture, food, sport, and music. We always have a fun French fact of the day. Did you know that you can travel from Le Louvre tout droit pour 4 kilomètres all the way to l'Arc de Triomphe? And then if you continue tout droit pour 4 kilomètres, you can then get to La Défense. Who knows, I might take you into my kitchen to do some special French cooking, and I might even teach you French while going for a run, or in this case, a marathon. And each video has a song of the day, with my personal recommendations to amazing, clean French music that will help you to practice your French learning skills and also show off fantastic images of French-speaking countries. So check out my homepage for all the latest uploads on fun French learning, playlists teaching everything you need to know about the weather and the calendar, or maybe even some scrumptious French food and drink, a 40-day series with all the basics to help you get going in French, and our songs of the day for some hidden musical gems. Parents and teachers of kids from the ages of 4 up to 14 have loved these videos. So if you're a kid who loves to laugh while learning, a teacher looking for lesson starters, or a parent seeking quality child-friendly French resources, then you are in just the right place. These videos have featured in national newspapers and on the BBC for their innovative and creative style. So if you think that this could be the place for you or your kids to learn French, then why not subscribe to my channel below? But in the meantime, à bientôt! Et au revoir!